Once upon a time, in a quiet green lake village, there was a small duck family living happily. One morning, 5 yellow ducklings were born, but one egg was still left. It was bigger and darker than the others. The mother duck looked worried. "Maybe it is broken," she said softly. But after some time, crack, out came a little duckling. He was not yellow like others. He was gray and a little different. The other ducklings stared at him. One said, "Why does he look like that?" Another laughed, "He is not like us." The small duckling lowered his head. "I just want to be like them," he whispered. Days passed. He tried to swim like them. He tried to walk like them. But no matter what he did, he always felt different. So one night, he quietly left the lake. He walked through forests, rivers, and empty fields. No one accepted him. Not the chickens. Not the cats. Not even the wild birds. Everyone said, "You don't belong here." The little duckling became sad. "I don't know who I am," he cried. Winter came. Cold wind. Frozen water. Lonely nights. The duckling almost gave up. But then, the water became warm again. One morning, he saw beautiful white birds flying above the lake. They were glowing in the sunlight. The duckling looked at them with tears. "I wish I could be like them." He slowly went into the water, feeling nervous. But then something strange happened. He looked into the water and saw his reflection. He was not a gray duck anymore. He had become a beautiful white swan. The same birds landed near him. One of them said softly, "You were never ugly, you just didn't know who you were." The duckling smiled for the first time, and he flew away with them into the sky. Sometimes you don't need to change yourself. You just need to find where you truly belong.